How to fix Xiaomi Redmi 15 Pro Twitter lag. Let's start the video. First of all, open settings app, and from here you can see system apps updater. Click on this, and from here you can update Twitter app, but it is already updated. And second method is select about phone and click on update, and from here checking your latest version will be updated or not. If he doesn't update, then update it to latest versions. And now third method is select apps and select manage apps, and from here search Twitter app. Click on this, and from here we have storage. Click on this, and from here you can clear data, and after that again open settings app and go down, select additional settings and go down. From here you can see factory reset, so we will simply click on this. After that it will be reset. After that your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.